I know it's out there. I know it's in the open. Oh, I see it from right here. We are near the grassy knoll, headed that way. Fly over to the battleship, get some video, see where the deck stands right now and what else might have been done. And there's some kind of very huge yellow thing over there. Look at it, guys. I'm sure some of you know what it is. Me, I have no clue. To me, it's a big giant yellow thing. We'll give a flight around that as well. Man, what could that be? Maybe something to do with, I don't know, oil, something. I don't know. You guys look at it, tell me what it is. I know somebody out there knows what it is. It's very, very tall. I'm gonna guess that thing's probably 200 feet tall, but we'll find out once we get the drone over there by it, and we'll search around, see if we can't find the foretop, what I call the conning tower. See if we can't find that on the ground somewhere. I know it's out there. I know it's in the open. Oh, I see it from right here. Well, now I know where to fly to. We are also meeting Third Coast Drone out here. He's running a little late, but he'll be here. Can you see the conning tower? It's not actually the conning tower. Foremast, foretop, whatever you want to call it. It's right to the right. Right to the right. Right to the right of that pole right there. Very small. You may not be able to see it, but you will in a few minutes because we're going to fly over there. Going to give Third Coast Drones a little bit of time to get here. If he's not here in the next 5 or 10 minutes, we'll get up on there in the air, fly over there, and then hang around and wait for him. Well, it appears we won't be using either one of these benches. It's been raining here, and those have water in front of them. Let's check this one over here. It's a little bit higher ground. Maybe the water ran downhill. Well, obviously the water would have run downhill, but let's just check it out and see what we got here. See if we can't walk out in the grass and get around that water. It's a couple inches deep. Oh yeah, we're good here. Except it's in the shade and it's a little bit of a cool day, but you know, deal with that. Yeah, it's got a little bit of water too, but it's closer to the concrete, so we're good. Never forget to have root beer in hand. It's what fuels the body. I think I hear an airplane. Yeah, definitely gonna give him time to get out of the area. Sounds like an older aircraft of some type. It's a biplane. guys can't tell right now. Oh yeah, definitely a Bible. Just waiting to pick up enough satellites and we'll get going here.
Home point updated.
There we go. Let's do the old toss launch.